Ever wondered how crystals might relate to the energy centers in your body known as chakras? In the realm of holistic healing, crystals and chakras go hand in hand. There are 7 major chakras, each corresponding to a unique crystal. These crystals are believed to harmonize the energy flow within us, enhancing our overall well-being. From the vibrant amethyst to the soothing rose quartz, each crystal resonates with a specific chakra. Ready to delve into the world of chakras and crystals? Let's begin with our first crystal, clear quartz. Clear quartz, a crystal as pure and clear as its name suggests, aligns with the crown chakra. This crystal, with its pristine clarity, harmonizes with the crown chakra, situated at the pinnacle of your head. It embodies enlightenment and our spiritual connection to the universe and ourselves. Clear quartz, acting as a beacon of cosmic light, facilitates a clear path for higher energies, aiding in spiritual growth and clarity of mind. Next, we move on to the crystal of intuition, amethyst. Amethyst, a beautiful violet crystal, corresponds with the third eye chakra. Revered for its calming properties, amethyst is a symbol of spiritual growth and protection. It's linked with the third eye chakra, the energy center in our forehead that governs intuition and inner wisdom. This vibrant crystal helps to enhance our psychic abilities and spiritual awareness, enabling us to tap into higher levels of consciousness. So, if you're seeking to elevate your intuition, amethyst could be your perfect crystal companion. Now let's explore the crystal of communication, sodalite. Sodalite, a rich blue crystal, is connected with the throat chakra. This enchanting stone, with its deep oceanic hues, is known for enhancing communication and self-expression. When your throat chakra is balanced, your voice flows freely. You're able to speak your truth without fear and listen with compassion. Sodalite helps to foster this balance, encouraging authentic expression and clear communication. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your voice, whispering, "Speak your truth." Next, we venture into the realm of love with rose quartz. Rose quartz, a crystal of unconditional love, aligns with the heart chakra. This gentle pink crystal, synonymous with tenderness and affection, resonates with the chakra located in the chest. The heart chakra, representing love and compassion, dances to the rhythm of rose quartz, creating a harmonious balance. This divine connection encourages openness, forgiveness, and the release of emotional wounds. It's like a soothing balm for the soul, fostering self-love and healing. Now let's turn our attention to citrine, the crystal of personal power. Citrine, a sunny and energetic crystal, corresponds with the solar plexus chakra. As vibrant as the sun, citrine is known to energize every level of life. It's a crystal that embodies the warmth, comfort, and energy of sunlight. Now, imagine this radiance illuminating the area of your solar plexus chakra, located in your stomach area. This chakra represents personal power and self-esteem. When balanced with citrine, it inspires confidence and the courage to make our dreams come true. Let's proceed to carnelian, the crystal of creativity. Carnelian, a vibrant orange crystal, aligns with the sacral chakra. This stunning gemstone, brimming with fiery energy, is said to stimulate creativity and enhance passion. Just below the navel, the sacral chakra pulses with individuality and sensuality. Carnelian, with its rich, warm hue, is believed to bolster this chakra by encouraging personal power and fostering a sense of joy. It's a crystal that resonates with our desires, our dreams. Lastly, we have smoky quartz, the grounding crystal. Smoky quartz, a grounding and protective crystal, connects with the root chakra. This enchanting stone, with its dusky hues, is known for its remarkable ability to anchor us, providing stability and strength. It resonates with our very survival instincts, promoting a sense of security and belonging. Our root chakra, seated at the base of our spine, is a vital energy center that thrives on this grounding force. Smoky quartz fosters a deep connection between us and the earth, nourishing this chakra. So there you have it, the 7 crystals and their corresponding chakras. Fascinating, isn't it? We've journeyed through the 7 chakras, each with its unique crystal. From the enlightening clear quartz of the crown chakra to the grounding smoky quartz of the root chakra, these crystals can truly enhance our spiritual and emotional well-being. They help us balance our energies, calm our minds, and inspire our souls. Remember, understanding and embracing these crystals and their associated chakras is a journey, not a destination. If you've enjoyed this exploration, do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.